Where are we at today?
Hudson Hills.
What are we going to do?
Ride.
Hello, friends. Hello.
Huh?
Hudson.
You need help yet?
Maybe. This is crazy.
Put your foot up. Make it harder.
I want to try. You got my water, Jenny?
I can't. I'm way up here. Oh my God, we have another steep hill.
Hey, Dad! Dad! It's so steep!
Shall we fly down? Okay, are you good? No, that's steep. No, it's steep. You try it. Try it, bro.
No. Can you hold hands?
Hudson, maybe let's just do this. Slowly. Walk. Are you gonna hit this?
I can't hit it.
On your Cobra?
No.
Okay. All right, come on. Huh?
We need drink.
Yeah, it's crazy on that. It was crazy on that hill. Okay, let's go. We got this.
Let's stay.
Not one strawberry.
What?
Oh, hold hands. Still have to hold hands. Because that would be rude, right?
When we hold hands, we won't lose each other. Red! 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 Red!
What about Dirty Girls? What about, oh my God, you're sitting on her.
We need to drink a little bit of water. That's why we have our waters, right?
Yep.
Whose birthday is it?
Fireworks.
America!
America! America's birthday!
Happy birthday, America!
Red bud!
Why are you eating on a tricycle?
Because I love tricycles. Oh my God.
Woo! What are you guys doing?
Watching the fireworks.
Yeah, over there and here.
Perfect.
Yes!
Perfect. Draw 386 in the air.
No, when it's on fire, that means it's on the good side.
Let me see. Oh boy.
Ready for me too.
Ready?
One push.
Mom, I have no.
Holy cow, it's gonna be
There you
big,
go.
messy. Show Mama a big bite.
Oh yeah.
Mommy?
Is that delish? How's your s'more?
Thank you for hanging out for me. And after this week, we're going to Fox Raceway, baby.